Hello friends, in today's video let's talk about what to expect from Apple's 15th September event, and also let's talk about Apple Watch Series 6, iPad Air 4, disappointing latest iPhone 12 leaks and rumors. Let's not waste time and let's get started. Earlier this week, Apple officially set the virtual stage for the annual September event, which will take place on Tuesday, September 15th. It will be a completely virtual event due to the COVID-19 situation. At the event, which was given the Time Flies tagline, we expect new Apple Watch and iPads along with some details on iOS 14, watchOS 7 and more. Let's begin with Apple iPad Air 4. The Apple iPad Air seen in the images features an edge-to-edge display without a home button. Alongside the flat edges, the USB-C connectivity instead of Face ID. Assuming if these images are real, it would represent a major upgrade for the iPad Air owners, which looks rather dated compared to iPad Pro. Talking about Apple Watch Series 6, in addition to the new iPad Air, the September event is also expected to include the announcement of Apple Watch Series 6. The Apple Watch Series 6 is likely to look similar to Apple Watch Series 5. Of course, things like the new finishes, colors and bands are always possible. Earlier to this, 9to5Mac found a code in iOS 14 which indicates that Apple Watch will add blood oxygen level detection for this year's Apple Watch. Famous leakster John Prosser has also tweeted that Apple would possibly be announcing not just one but two different Apple Watch this year, one being the low-priced Apple Watch SE or Apple Watch, the second being called as Apple Watch Series 6 or Apple Watch Pro. It will be interesting to see what Apple have in their store. Talking about the latest news about the iPhone 12, if you are hoping to see 120Hz refresh rate on iPhone 12, then this news will disappoint you. Again, the famous leakster John Prosser earlier tweeted that this year iPhone have begun the mass production and will ship without 120Hz display. Apart from these, Apple is expected to announce its new iPhone in a separate event sometime in mid-October, along with the AirTags and AirPods. Friends, what do you expect to see from Apple September 15th event? Please let us know your opinions in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a like and share this video. Please subscribe to our iTech channel for more tech videos. Stay safe and thank you for watching iTech.